for bad. Thomas, tricks. He's gonna show you. Don't show him how to do it. That's just gonna take a minute.
Don't come block 180. Put your foot. Alright. Put your foot about right there in the back. It's the easiest way. Then you slide your foot out. But make sure that your foot try to stay right there as it turns. When it goes right there, you're gonna land on your board backwards like that. And you're gonna be rolling on the back, like the back of your board. Alright. Now, see one in action. Now sometimes you slip just like that. But sometimes it won't. See? But sometimes you land and sometimes you won't. And that's just how skateboarding go. But let's see one real. You see? Even in a video, it can happen. You never know. But anyway, let's just enough about me. Let's get to gym.
Yay! This is probably maybe my first. Yeah, I think this is my first.
It helps you keep your balance. It's a manual.
This is the manual. You're going to put your foot on the back where it's coming up. You're going to push down a little. And then it's going to go like this. It's going to look like this. But make sure you don't scratch. Or maybe you might trip.
Don't let here's the thing. Don't let your tail hit the ground. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Just like that. Don't let it hit it.
Yeah. But if you really get used to it, you can do it. Sometimes you maybe. Oh, and guys, I forgot to do this video last week. This is, well,